welcome to Harmon Hall Tutorial. I'm Erica.
And I'm Danny.
Today we're going to work on useful classroom language. Okay, so let's give it a go.
Teacher, how do you say libro in English?
It's book.
Okay, thank you.
Turn to page 4 in your book.
Could you repeat that, please?
Sure. Turn to page 4.
Thank you. Teacher, how do you spell house?
H-O-U-S-E.
I?
No, E.
Okay, thank you.
Please stand up and practice your conversation in pairs.
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Sure. Please stand up and practice the conversation in pairs.
Okay, thank you. Can I borrow your eraser, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
So, these expressions you can see in Course 1 here at Harmon Hall Puebla Juárez. We look forward to seeing you 242-4158. Bye.
Bye.